I can see that. Yeah.
Uh, this is the microphone I'm using. So can
Mm-hmm.
you see the microphone is just built in the wire, you know?
Mm-hmm.
So that's the reason why that with my fingers, I hold the wire so that the microphone can be beside my mouth.
Uh-huh, uh-huh. Okay, okay. I
Mhm.
see.
But if you are a professional, for example, you can use, okay, this is the position when the microphone should stay. Can you see?
Mm-hmm.
This is your
Mm-hmm.
mouth.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I understood
And
actually while you were trying to tell. Yeah.
yeah,
Cool.
and also, okay, let's find another picture here. Can you see this is the profile?
Uh-huh.
The other side, can you
Uh-huh.
see?
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
So
But
most important,
how does it
sorry?
possible? It is very strange for me because when we are talking, I mean, I imagine that our voice goes directly, but the microphone, I mean, I imagine this is maybe, of course, it's a misconception as you told. So I think that the microphone should be directly in front of my mouth,
No,
but
no,
of course, as you're
no,
telling, it should be.
no. Let me show you. Can you hear me? If I put my microphone in front of,
Mm,
can you see what is going to happen?
yes, of course. Yeah,
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 is it
interesting.
horrible?
Yeah, of
Yeah,
course it
it is.
is. It is not
Yeah,
pleasant. Mm-hmm.
exactly. So that's the reason why that you have to option. First of all, you should put your microphone beside of your mouth like this. Yeah, like
Mm-hmm.
this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
But if you have this kind of headset, there is a sponge here.
Yeah. Yeah.
So the sponge block or like this one,
Yeah. Blocks
So
the.
this block the plosive
Mm-hmm.
consonant air, no,
Mm.
the air that comes from plosive consonant like p,
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
b,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
you know.
Mm-hmm. Like
So you
f
create with your
maybe.
mouth, yeah, exactly. So
Mm-hmm.
you create this kind of plosive sound, and this kind of amount of air goes directly to the microphone, and you create a very annoying sound.
Mm.
So in order to delete this problem, you can put your microphone beside,
I see.
or you can put a sponge like this. But the sponge doesn't delete, every plosive. So it's better to, as you can see here, there is a picture. So microphone in front of the mouth, wrong. Can you see here? Totally
Mm-hmm.
wrong. Just beside. This is the right side.
I
Okay.
see.
So if you use a thing like this, you can adjust, this thing,
Okay.
that it shouldn't be rigid,
Mm-hmm.
but you should buy a microphone with a movable, thing,
Mm-hmm.
so you can
Flexible.
adjust the microphone position so that the microphone is just very close, but not in front of your mouth.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And
I
you are
understand.
going to And another advice that I can tell is just please avoid to find a headset like this, because after, let's say, 30 minutes, you're going to feel high temperature in your
Uh-huh.
ears,
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
because these headsets are closed,
Yeah, exactly.
and they cover completely your ears. So in order to have long conversation, you should buy something like this. Can you
Mm.
see? Super light.
Mm-hmm.
So your
I see.
ears will be super fresh
And
and
comfortable.
comfortable. And most of all, the microphone position will be always the same. Even if you turn left your head, if you turn down, turn right, even if you move, your body and your head,
Mm-hmm.
the microphone will always stay in the same distance, between from your mouth. That's crucial.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
That's crucial.
Mm-hmm. Interesting. Thank you, man. Thank you very much. I didn't know that. I think most of the people who are in this group right now most probably didn't know that as well. Thank you for this precious and valuable comments and explanation, man. Thank you.
You're welcome. No problem.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Yeah, what a lovely lecture. Oh, it's cool. Fantastic.